Several years ago, a string of child abductions struck residents of a small American suburban community. Eventually, these abductions were found to be the work of a traveling ice cream truck driver who used to lure children away with his charm, sweets, and the sing-song tune of Yankee Doodle Dandy. Convicted of at least a dozen child abductions and murders, the driver was sentenced to death. With his execution came a bittersweet sense of ease for the community, as he had refused to tell where he had hid their children's bodies. And after a few years, the continued search for the victims' bodies finally came to an end. To this day, authorities are unable to trace the whereabouts of the children. Many suspect that they were burned, and that the remains were dumped in a nearby river. However, this is not where the tragic tale ends. For according to local legend, every day on the anniversary of the murderous ice cream van driver's execution, a ghostly van appears on the streets of the same suburban community he once terrorized. One can hear the playing of Yankee Doodle Dandy and see the van, never stopping as it makes its way out of the community and into the unknown.